Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it doesn't matter. Just find your contacts and find the contact which you wish to edit and tap on it. I'll pick this one maybe. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and tap on add picture. So here we can choose from device photos and Google Photos. Basically we can tap on our own gallery and choose something from our own photos, or we can immediately open the camera apps to take photo of someone who's right in front of us, and I will do that. So let me just take a photo quickly. It doesn't have to be perfect. For this tutorial we've got it, so let's tap on the stick icon. And here in this step we can zoom in right here or zoom out the photo. We can change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle here is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, for example this one, and then tap on choose. Now we have to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see this is how our contact will look like. Of course we will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.